it's an addiction. Finding the eggs is sort of a little treasure hunt that is challenging, but it's also rewarding. And then once you find the eggs, you have to raise them. It would be really tough to not raise those eggs. Well, I'm raising monarchs. I'm doing this to help the monarch population. The numbers are so low now that if one very drastic storm hit, say a hurricane went through Texas right when they were migrating, it could wipe out the entire population. So my goals for releasing the butterflies are, one, to make them more noticeable in the community. It certainly brings joy to the community to see these.
Woo! It's not quite ready to fly.
Secondly, it's to bring awareness to the need for more plants for these monarchs. They're a great indicator of how well plant species are doing. And those plant species are not just important for monarchs, but they're important for so many other species as well. They depend completely on milkweeds, a plant that a lot of people consider just a weed. And so if there is not enough of that milkweed around, there won't be enough eggs, enough caterpillars, and the monarch population dramatically drops. So the females will recognize milkweed plants and lay their eggs on them. And within 2 to 5 days, that egg will hatch into a caterpillar. They will keep eating for about 2 weeks. And once they've eaten their fill and they've gotten to their last point of development, they will find a nice secluded spot and they will hang upside down and form a chrysalis. And that process takes 1 to 2 weeks. And then they come out as butterflies.
That little section there, that part of the chrysalis will crack open, and it starts to pop forward this way like the hood of a car. And so it'll crack open, it starts wriggling, and the abdomen will go pop right out. And then its wings come out, and they're all shriveled up, and then the abdomen starts pumping and the wings start getting bigger. It only takes about 20 minutes before the wings are pretty much full size, and then it just hangs there.
They are starting to rebound. Last year, the overwinter numbers went up 166%. So from an extremely low number to an almost safe number. But we want to do better. They're still not even anywhere close to what they were in the 1990s.